Hey, this is July, and for these meatballs, we're going to use some Ritz crackers, a couple eggs, some garlic lover seasoning, some black pepper, and a little bit of Mojo, and 2¼ pounds of ground beef. Here we add the garlic seasoning. Next, we add some black pepper. Next, we'll add a little bit of Mojo. Next, we'll add a couple eggs. We add 1 pack of Ritz crackers, already crumbled up. I mix everything together with my hands and make them into small meatballs. This was 2¼ pounds of lean ground beef. I made about 17 meatballs. I'm gonna cook this on the smoker for about 25 minutes. Ooh, nice clear night. It's about 5 degrees out here. But, oh yeah, look at that. Some meatballs. These are ready to serve. See how this bad boy came out. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's money. So dinero.